What is pollution? So you have to open your books at page 238. And of course, you're going to see 239 as well. So what is pollution? It is waste or trash that harms land, water, and air. Okay, so we have three types of pollution. We have land pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. So let us get to know the first one. We have air pollution. What is air pollution? And as you can see here, we have smoke, okay? We have people cutting down trees and so on. So let us get to know what is air pollution. Okay, let us see or look at this picture. What can you see? You can see cars, and here we have an airplane, and we have smoke coming out of chimneys from everywhere. So it means that the air is not clean, right? It is not okay. It is okay. I think when we try and breathe it, we may get sick because of that. It is dirty. It is full of toxic things that may harm us. Okay, so this is a picture that shows air pollution, and the air is polluted here. It means that it's gonna make us sick. Okay, so look at this picture. We have to know that trees help to keep the air clean and healthy. And when we cut down trees, the air will become polluted. Okay, so without trees, the air will be polluted and full of toxic things. So we have to keep or to make sure to plant trees and plants in general in order to keep the air clean and healthy. Okay, so if I ask you, is cutting down trees a good thing or a bad thing? Of course, it is a bad thing. But planting trees is a good thing, okay? And also, burning of wood causes air pollution. How? Okay, when you burn something, it's gonna, or you're gonna see a smoke coming out of it. So this smoke is full of bad things that may hurt our lungs when we breathe. Okay, so burning of wood causes air pollution. So this is another cause for what? For air pollution. Let us see the third picture. Okay, here we have smoke released from factories and industries. It means these big buildings that produce things and so on. So as you can see here, we have chimneys and the smoke is coming out of it. So this is a bad thing, or these things are bad for what? For the air. So smoke released from factories and industries is bad, okay? And also smoke released from cars or vehicles in general. So this is also another this is another reason for what? For air pollution. And okay, that's it for what, or that is what I need you to know about air pollution. Now let us see the water pollution, the second type of pollution. We have water pollution. What is water pollution? Okay, let us see here. So when you see when you see a weird color of water, it is because of something. It is because of things that are inside of it or in it. So when you put something, or when you put dirt inside the water, you will notice that the color of the water will change. Okay. So throwing trash in water causes what? Water pollution. So if you see the water getting dirty or getting another color, it means that it is polluted. Polluted means that you can't drink it. It is unhealthy to drink it. So it's better to make sure you drink what? You drink healthy, clear water. And also you have to make sure to swim in what? In a clean or in clean water, not in dirty water. And also factories Okay, so when they produce things, they're gonna have a lot of trash. So they try to put or to throw these or the waste of these or the waste coming out of them or their things that they produce, they try to put it or to throw it in the water. And this is a bad thing. This is unacceptable. Okay, it may cause what? It may cause water to be polluted. So as you can see here, we have water, but it is green. It means that it is so dirty. We can't drink it. We can't swim in it. Also, living things that live in the water or inside the water will be poisoned or get poisoned, and they will die, or eventually they'll die. Also here, water pollution affects living things that live in water. So these fish, as you can see, they are what? They are hardly alive. They are, okay, they're suffering because of what? Because of the water being polluted. So what will happen to living things if the water is polluted? They will die. Even the plants. Plants need clean water, and also fish need clean water in order to what? To breathe underwater and in order to live normally. Like we have to drink what? Clean water in order to keep ourselves healthy or to keep our bodies healthy. The same goes to fish that live in water. And the last kind or type of pollution is land pollution. It affects living things that live on land, like us and like animals. Okay? So, what do we have to do in order to keep the land from being polluted or for preventing the land from becoming polluted? We have to plant more trees and we have to make sure to not to cut down trees, and we have to make sure to put the trash in trash bins, not to throw them on land. Okay, so when you go or when you eat something, you have to make sure to put it inside the trash. You have to put it inside the trash, not to throw it on the ground. Okay, so how many types of pollution do we have? We have three types. We have air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. And you have to make sure to distinguish between each one of them, okay? And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, just ask me, and thank you for listening. Have a nice day.